And I'm James.
Welcome to season 2 of So Flipped. We saw last season the joys and trials of flipping a small house and adding 1,100 square feet of a main house. This season we'll dive into a go-to for us. We buy a 1,000 square foot house and we add 450 square feet in the back and convert the garage into an ADU, also known as a guest house.
The housing market has been on fire recently because everyone has been stuck at home because of the pandemic and they're sick of their homes. So they want to move into a bigger, better, more comfortable place, and they're taking advantage of historically low interest rates. That has made it really competitive for us to find a house to flip. But we were really lucky in that we found one just 2 blocks away from Khalifa, the last property you saw us do. And we were even more lucky because one day after our offer was accepted, another one came in $55,000 over ours.
This house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a nice sized dining room and living room area and a very nice kitchen. It's probably the best looking of
it's
all
definitely
the
in the best
properties
shape.
we've ever bought, which breaks my heart. We have to tear part of it down. 2 bedrooms on the left side with a decent sized bathroom in the middle and a nice covered patio porch.
Covered porch.
Porch with a fireplace in the middle and an extra bathroom, all unpermitted. While the garage is mildly converted into a space for the 2 children for the previous family.
On this house, we are doing a light rework of the existing bathroom to create a laundry space in the bigger bathroom. And then we're adding on 450 square feet to the back. And the reason we do 450 is it's just about the max that you can do without exceeding 500 square feet, where the city adds on extra fees and taxes.
First thing we'll do, we'll demo the back and dig the trenches and get ready for the framing and pouring the foundation. And then we'll demo the kitchen, the nice kitchen, and reframe it to be the bedroom for the new ADU.
Thank you for checking in with us again. And next time we see you, hopefully there'll be a lot of progress. And you can follow that progress on Stone Farm Enterprises on Instagram and stonefarmenterprises.com and Facebook.
See you on the flip side.
We don't say that anymore.
No, it's on the script.